Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at an interesting blockchain project called Enoch Token, a platform that's building new ways to connect people and business through their decentralized technology. I will share all the detail about the official blockchain based energy token for oil, gas and different you can see industries. I will share that with you, but details and share with you. I will also share their white paper with you, and Enoch Token is all about creating transparent and efficient ecosystem powered by blockchain, and I will share the details. You can even learn more. I will open these link in front of you, and even though I will share their links with you too. Their pre-sale is going live, so I will share that detail with you. They have the secure and transparent, fast and efficient and global adoption. So in that way, they have given it a usage more secure, community-driven and accessible for everyone. You can see blockchain ensures tamper-proof transaction and transparency across the energy sector. They have fast and efficient. They have the instant settlement of energy payment with reduced operational cost. They also give the global adoption option, like you can design for cross-border energy transaction, enabling seamless integration worldwide. So these is the main 3 points that make it differ from the other project. These is their uniqueness. You can see the tokenomics, which is given here, the distribution of the tokenomics. You can learn more about it from the token details and upcoming features directly on their official page, so I will give that link. It always good to understand how these kind of projects plan to grow and what real world problems they are trying to solve. So this video is for educational purpose, it is not a financial advice. So you can see I was talking about the tokenomics. You can see the distribution about their token. Total supply is 40% for their like public sale, and they give for 20% for their team and advisor, 20% for liquidity and exchange, 10% for their reserve fund, 10% for the marketing and partnership. The key stat is given where their total supply is shown. The blockchain is given, which is ERC20, even though you can see their contract address or you can copy it. I just open it here. You can see it is scrolling here. As the scrolling will complete and it will open, I will share with you the further. So the roadmap, you can see they have the white paper release in the Q1 of 2025, in Q2 of 2025. They have going for the token public sale, exchange listing in Q3 of 2025. They are going for the strategic partnership in oil and gas in Q4 of 2025. Global expansion and community growth is given. So before you can see here they have the fuel station and maritime trade and aviation payments, oil and gas. You can see this all details is given, ecosystem is given, and I all give the details here. So as you can see, before I continue more, this video is not a financial advice and I am not affiliate with Enoch Token. The content you are watching is for informational and educational purpose only. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. So if you would like to explore more, head over their link. I will give that in my video description. So now I will share with you about their address. You can see it is on the Etherscan. Their address is given here. So furthermore, you can about that, which is their token pre-sale. So Enoch Token pre-sale is given it. The time machine is on, the secret of 999 and the big cash prize. Bought its mind to test your luck on Ethereum mainnet. This is not just a pre-sale, this is a lottery for the intelligent. They have set aside a massive cash prize for the one who can crack the 999 code and turn the time machine. So you can see their address is given, their symbol, decimal, everything is shown here. You can see pre-sale rate is 1 USDT, which is equal to 12.5 Enoch. You can see you will get listing rate 1 USDT into 10 Enoch, so that if you go and buy it 1 USDT 12.5 Enoch, so when their price will be equal to 1 USDT equal to 10, you will get a large amount on it. So it is a good opportunity. It is also on the Uniswap. You can see the liquidity and all the details. You can see that the pink sale or details, the status, and it is public here. Sale type, which is also public. You can see the further details, white paper on it. So I was sharing about the crypto markets. You can see the details about the market opportunity, the Enoch solution, that what they are provide. They provide a secure digital payment infrastructure for energy transactions. So if you are going for that, do must go. They have the instant transparent B2B settlement across the energy supply chain. They have blockchain based traceability that prevent fraud and also increasing adaptability. You can see you can get auditability from here, and you can get it secure. They have the future integration with the digital fuel card and also the mobile payment applications. You can furthermore join them on their social media, like on their Twitter. You can see that the Enoch token, their detail is given, like there were the details. You can join them on their social media. I share all the details here. So, and if you find this type of content helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more crypto and Web3 project reviews. And thanks for watching. Stay informed and stay safe. I will see you in the next one.